Who can do the exams? You might think, I'm not qualified. I don't know anything about veterans. I don't know anything about the work. This isn't my field. There are anybody with any license or anybody that has graduated medical school can perform these exams. There are laws that say that anyone who is a physician assistant, nurse practitioner, audiologist, or psychologist can perform these exams. And you only need a medical license in one state to perform it in any state. This is just an excerpt from that law so that you know that I'm not making that up. This says pretty much the same thing, that any licensure or contract healthcare professional can perform these exams. And this is under the Department of Veteran Affairs. Hold up, you say. You're a pediatrician. Why would you know anything about what is going on with adults? It's because I went to medical school. All you have to do is a physical exam, right? So if you can remember how to do a knee exam, a shoulder exam, ask a history about migraines or headaches or any basic exam, then you can do this work. Nurse practitioners are your colleagues. You know the training. Everyone in this listening to this recording knows the training of a nurse practitioner and the different variability of the training. And the training to be a nurse practitioner, you have that within your time in medical school. And so you are qualified to do the work.